It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We are located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, child lock button, the programmable memory seat, and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button, the information tab, trailer mode, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and the lighting controls, as well as the park brake. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, 2-toned leather interior, Denali embroidering in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using those arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. To the far left is our engine push start button. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the 1500, we have LED headlamps, that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, remote start, keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button on the door handles, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to lower the tailgate down. We've also got the multi-pro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at WesternGMCBuick.com